Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. If this is your first time watching, hi, my name is Leslie. I'm so glad to have you here. I film luxury related videos all about handbags, jewelry, shopping vlogs, hauls, you name it. So if that sounds like a thing, I would love for you to consider subscribing. And if you find that you enjoy this video throughout watching it, please give it a thumbs up. That would really help me out a lot. Anyway, to keep the intro as short as possible, today's video is going to be a really exciting one because if you've watched my birthday vlog, which went up like 2 weeks ago at this point, you may recall that there was a little red, or like a big red something waiting to be unboxed, and today is the day. I treated myself to something from Ferragamo and from the size of the shopping bag. I don't think I can even put it in frame. You might get an idea of which type of item it is. Plus, I think I put it in the title of this video, so to cut it short, yes, it is a handbag and it came in this beautiful red box. I already took the handbag out of the box, so I'm gonna insert that footage over me talking. But aside from the item that I purchased, which I'm gonna show you, don't worry, I also got a little something as a gift, which I think is amazing. It was my first time shopping at Ferragamo. I think I do own a scarf ring from Ferragamo, but that's from Vestiaire Collective. But this was actually my first time ever going into the Ferragamo boutique, and yeah, the service was amazing. We got coffee and stuff, which is like not unusual, but for like the times that we're still living in, it's quite nice to get some sense of normality back and get offered drinks and stuff at a boutique. Anyway, I got a little something as a gift, which I was really surprised by because, as I said, my first time ever going into a Ferragamo boutique and purchasing something there, and came beautifully packaged. A little pencil case with 3 pens, I think, and it's full leather, which I think is amazing. I mean, that's a gift. It could have easily been something that they actually sell in the boutique. So yeah, absolutely amazing. As I said, 3 pencils, and yeah, I was really surprised by this kind of generous gift. I mean, could you imagine getting something like this just for purchasing a normal handbag from Chanel, for example, or MS? I mean, amazing. Anyway, that's that, and yeah, let me show you the handbag. So yes, you already saw it in the unboxing clips. I mean, it's a little out there and definitely not like a classic handbag, and I hear everyone that subscribes to the idea of like handbags as investments to come for me in the comments, but I think if you know kind of what my collection looks like, you know that I do appreciate like classic handbags, for example my Chanel Jumbo, which has gone up in price, so kind of an investment, I guess, but I didn't buy the Jumbo with the mindset of being like, okay, it's gonna go up in price, etc. Anyway, this is definitely not a classic bag, but I'd say my collection is more on the like unique side, maybe not. Anyway, little out there, but yeah, I instantly fell in love with the like pattern and this floral design when I saw Claire Banks unbox this exact bag. She's gorgeous, by the way. I'm sure you know her, and she is really big on TikTok, but she also has a YouTube channel and obviously Instagram, so I'm gonna leave a link to her channels down below. Obviously this bag also comes in like plain colors and a bigger size, and I think also a slightly different style where it's more like the Cellier style when you talk MS terms, so a little more structured. And I think the more structured ones are called the Studio Box bag, if I'm not mistaken, and I think they don't have the flap right here. This is called the, I guess, regular studio bag, and so many feet at the bottom. I think I took off all the protective stickers. Yeah, I think that's amazing, obviously to protect the bottom of your bag, but also, I mean, it is a structure bag, but it does have a little slouch here, so over time it might slouch a little, although Claire and some people in the comments under her videos said that from their experience with Ferragamo bags, they don't really slouch. So I'm pretty confident in saying that, yeah, you won't see this kind of thing happening, but yeah, from a little slouch you can definitely see the studs or like the feet on the bottom when you wear the bag, which is amazing as well. And yeah, I'm just obsessed with this color, or like this colorway. Perfect for spring and summer, but I'm sure, I mean, when I purchased this bag, I wore a full black outfit and it looked amazing as well. So perfect for I guess any time of the year. The closure is so beautiful. And I guess a big advantage when you compare it to the Birkin, for example, is that you don't have a flap to open it, but just the like turn closure thing right here, and it opens up. And on the inside, pretty in pink. And you also have obviously a shoulder strap, which is still in this like styrofoamy thing. And I'm gonna insert mod shots, by the way. And later down the line, I mean, I did wear this bag once already, but give me another couple of months and I'm definitely going to do a more in-depth review, show you what fits inside and stuff. This is just the reveal video basically. And yeah, on the inside you have D-rings to detach the shoulder strap, and also this pouch right here. Oh god, I hope I'm able to show it to you. There we go. The zipper thing right here. This is a pouch that is actually removable. I don't think I'm gonna remove it because the like push buttons are pretty stiff, and I'm afraid that from detaching and attaching it again and again, that it might stretch out the leather because you have to pull pretty hard to get the pouch off the like tabs. But yeah, really happy with this purchase, and I think I paid 2,450. So yeah, quite up there, in particular when you think about resale value and stuff. I mean, I'm not planning to resell this bag ever. I mean, it's pretty out there and I have to be mindful of not wearing it too often because otherwise people will be like, oh, that bag again. But yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. And I mean, from a lot of my recent purchases, I'm talking about the Serpentine Forever, for example. Okay, not the Saint Laurent Toy Lulu, that's a pretty like standard and basic bag, but the Serpentine bag. Then before that I purchased the pre-loved Balenciaga Ludis bag in this like marble design and stuff. I do tend to gravitate to more like out of the box and yeah, not the like regular brands. So I mean, don't get me wrong, I would love to get a Kelly or a Birkin, or both I guess, but you have to start somewhere. Also in terms of like price tags and stuff, I'd much rather get like 3 or 4 bags in this kind of price category than one Chanel bag. So this is also one of the reasons that I ventured into lesser known or like off the beaten path handbag brands in the past couple of years. And yeah, what can I say? I mean, the bag is just absolutely stunning. Let me know what you think in the comments. Claire Banks obviously is going to style this bag with so many like super pretty girly dresses. I mean, her closet is to die for, and her body as well. I'm more on the like neutrals and black and gray kind of colorway, at least. Okay, maybe in summer I'm gonna venture out to a little more color in terms of my wardrobe, but usually I'm more on the like black and dark kind of clothes side of things. But yeah, this looks amazing against a full black outfit, but also, I mean, there are so many colors that you can pick up in your outfits and match it with the bag. So really, really happy with this one. And yeah, I guess that does it for today's video. A really short one, but I just wanted to show my excitement and reveal the bag. And then, as I said, later down the line, I'm definitely going to film a more in-depth review and show you what fits inside. I did insert mod shots in this video. If I haven't, now is the time. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and consider subscribing. I still owe you one more unboxing from my birthday, and it does come in an orange box, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye.